If you're looking for an all-terrain compact SUV with proven reliability, safety, and fun for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk Elite in pearl white. With automatic LED low, high beam headlamps, 17-inch black painted aluminum wheels, dual bright exhaust tips, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 16,210 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, select terrain system with Jeep Active Drive Lock, hill descent control, off-road group with skid plates, SELEC-SPEED crawl control for off-road suspension, park view rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Sirius XM satellite radio, foot activated hands-free power liftgate, full power sunroof, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5534.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.